Hello Year 2, welcome to another Flip Classroom video. We will be looking at maths today, specifically adding two-digit numbers and one-digit numbers. Oh, sorry, I skipped a page. So what is a two-digit number? So a two-digit number is where there are two numerals in one number. For example, 10, 15, 20, 33, 45, 89 are all two-digit numbers. One digit sits in the tens column and one digit sits in the ones column. So Amy wants to learn how to add a two-digit number and a one-digit number together. She would like to add 21 and 7. We are going to be using the place value grid method to calculate 21 and 7. But you ask, what is a place value grid? So on the screen over here, you can see this is a place value grid. On the left-hand side, you can see that there is a tens column. On the right-hand side, you can see that there is a ones column. There is also an addition sign because we are adding the two numerals together. Now, I'm going to tell you 4 steps that we need to follow every single time when we do the place value grid method to complete addition sentences, to successfully complete addition sentences. Are you ready? Okay, step 1. Partition the number into tens and ones. So partitioning means to break down a whole number into smaller numbers. Step 2, double check that you have partitioned correctly. So you've got the correct amount of tens and the correct amount of ones. Step 3, add all of the ones in the ones column. So when we look at a place value grid, so we've got the tens on one side and the ones on the other side. We add the ones first, but we go all the way down, just like we're going down a ladder. Step 4, add all of the tens in the tens column. So we always start with the ones first and then we move over to the tens. And the tip at the end, always remember you are going down the ladder. So you're counting down this, pretend you're climbing down a ladder. And that's how you need to add. Right, this is an example. So it says 21, we're going to help Amy out. 21 add 7. So we're using place value counters. So this is a place value counter. It's a 10 place value counter and there's a 1. So 21. So I can see that Amy has partitioned 21 into 2 tens. And then she's got 1 in the ones column. That's brilliant. And then she's got 7. So because this is a single digit, because there's only one number, and it's less than 10. So we definitely know that it's not going to be in the tens column because it's less than 10. So there are 7 ones. So she's put, let's double check. Let's just count if she's done it correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Brilliant. Okay, now she's going to add them all together. Let's see if she's done it correctly. Right, remember, okay, so 10's on one side, 1's on the other, and I'm going to go down the ladder. So I'm going to start with the ones. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brilliant. And Amy's put number 8 here. Fantastic. And then we've got 1, 2. We've got 2 tens, and then we've got there aren't any additional tens. There's just 2. So we put number 2 at the bottom. Fantastic. Let's have a look at another example. Here is 33. Add 5. So step 1. What was step 1 again? That's right, partition. So going to partition 33. So we know that there's 3 tens in 33. And we've got 3 ones. So she's put 3 tens in the tens column and 3 ones in the ones column. And then we've moved on to the next digit, the single digit, which is number 5. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay, so I've forgotten now. Can you pause the video and quickly tell the person in the room that am I first adding the tens or am I adding the ones? Quickly pause and let me know. Oh, I see. We need to add the ones first because we always start with the ones. Fantastic. Okay, so let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 here. So let's see. Right, 8 underneath. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. 3 tens, and there's none over here. So I know 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3. And it's 38. Well done for doing that together with me. Now, we have come to the end of our flipped classroom video for maths. I would like you to, on scrap piece of paper or the whiteboard if you have one, can you please draw the place value grid, ask an adult for help if you need help, and then I would like you to think of a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number. So it could be 10, add 3. Another example is you could do 15, add 2. You could do 24, add 5. And you can do 32, add 7. Can you do all of those for me? And we'll be looking forward to seeing it all on Tapestry. Thank you very much, Year 2. I hope you've enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.